Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This cruiser has just under 16,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Bike comes with front signal covers, a clear tall windscreen, 12-inch narrow apes. Looks like they've put the proper cables on it and extensions, aftermarket mirrors, footboards for the driver, Viking saddlebags, This bike also has a heel-toe shifter. We've got a small chunk out of the tank there. And again, the aftermarket mirrors and bars and the clear windscreen. All right. Show you those miles now. 15,904 is what's on it. This 2008 Vulcan 900 Classic will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.